welcome to my videos. So guys, spring season is here in Canada, and this is a perfect time for door-to-door contractor scams. They come knock your door, and then based on your action you could be taken for a ride. So I'm going to discuss about door-to-door contractor scams and how they overcharge homeowners. So imagine someone rings your doorbell and say, hey, your roof looks damaged. I notice your driveway has cracks, and offers to fix it quickly. Be very careful. Door-to-door contractor scams are extremely common in Canada, especially in spring and other storms. So be very careful. First of all, no, don't go for fake urgency trick. They try to say something because they know that your home is probably the most important asset for you and your family. So they are going to say something to create panic. They will say that your roof is leaking, your foundation is cracked. If not fixed urgently, it could lead to thousands of dollars in repair. Your gutters are dangerous, may lead to mold and all such things. Now, initially they quote very cheap, something like 500. But once the work starts, they suddenly say metal is needed, unexpected damage has been found, it wasn't seen earlier, we need new workers to arrive, and easily it can go from 500 to 5,000, even more than that. If they're asking for cash deposits, it's like a major red flag, because many times it has happened that when you deal in cash, they just disappear because there is no way you can keep track of cash, right? Many scammers use temporary phone numbers and fake business names, and the shocking part is many, even now it was identified last year in some, use even reputed companies name also. So if someone is doing that, verify it. If someone claims to be from a reputed company, I'll take their card, but I won't call on that number. Instead, I'll go to the website and then I'll call that reputed company I know and find out, hey, have you sent these guys? Is this legitimate? See the email address. These things will tell you a lot of things. Okay, all right. Okay, now so always now I'm going to come to the protection side, how to protect yourself. Never sign immediately. Ask for a written contract. Get multiple opinion. Don't be in panic. If you have any doubt, ask your neighbors, ask your family members, ask experts. If you have much doubts, I would tell you a simple thing. Go to Home Depot. Ask men over there. Some of them will be willing to help you. Okay, check business number, check business licenses, check reviews, check insurance coverage. Never pay full payment upfront, and get multiple quotes from multiple vendors. Second pair of eyes have to review before you sign anything. So if you do this, you will be in a better shape. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.